In this video, I'll show you how to close all open apps on your iPhone 15, 15 Pro, 15 Pro Max, any other version of the 15. So let's get started. So obviously, if you want to close one app, you're going to swipe from the lower part of your screen up until you see these small cards appearing. To close an app, you just have to swipe up and you're done. But what if you want to close all that are open? Well, unfortunately, it doesn't work like an Android phone, where you just have a button and you're done. What you can do to close many at the same time is to use 3 fingers, I think this is the max, and swipe up. Whoops, let me try again. And swipe up like this. This way you'll be able to close many apps at the same time and it will take less time. Obviously, I don't encourage you to close the apps often, especially if you're using them, since the iOS system of your iPhone is made to pause them in the background. So even if you have, let's say, 20 apps open in the background, it doesn't mean that your phone is actually using memory to keep them open. So this is another thing to keep in mind. So I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, comment down below if you have other tricks how to solve this problem, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.